The silk unearthed from the tomb provides important information for the study of the clothing of the Ming Dynasty. However, after hundreds of years underground, the silk has rotted.
丝绸文物它在地下埋藏的过程中，蛋白质的成分不断的在降解，造成了它的微观层面的断裂。
Silk is a kind of polymer material composed of natural protein. It contains 18 kinds of amino acids. Being buried underground, silk can be infected by organisms and corpses, which leads to damage and deformation of the fiber structure, finally leading to its decay. How to reinforce silk relics has been a topic long discussed in the cultural relic restoration area.
我们查阅了大量的这个文献，基本上都是要从化学的其他的一些材料去加固，它加固的材料的寿命比丝绸材料的寿命还要短。
就是天天在想这个问题，天天想着要怎么办。朝朽的丝绸的加固就是一个悬而未决的一个难题。